Hi boys and girls, happy Friday. Ms. Pickowitz here with your writing lesson for Friday, August 28th. And you're going to need your writing paper in the plastic. You're going to need your tracing paper with the bunny, bee, and frog on it. And then you're also going to need your name practice paper. You guys know what that looks like by now because you're going to practice writing your name when we're done with the writing video. So you will also need your Expo marker and, of course, pencil and crayons. So let's quickly go over a quick reminder. We've been talking about our lines. You guys should know them by now. Skyline, plain line, grass line, and the worm line we can't see is under the ground. So we have skyline at the top with the sun, plain line in the middle because the plane flies below the sun, and then we have the grass line where the flower is, and then the worm line we can't see is under the ground because worms live under the ground, and that's when our letters have to go under the plain line. They go to the worm line. So we're going to practice our T's today. We're going to get our Expo markers. We're going to take our top saw and we're going to set them up and down like this, not on the side so they don't roll away because you don't want to lose the top because you're not going to be able to use your marker anymore. Okay, so we're going to get our sheet and we're going to start at the skyline, make a straight line, stop at the grass line, little line across the top, right above the plain line. What are we working on? We've been working on it for a couple of days now. Very good. T. This is a uppercase or lowercase t. Big T or little t? It's a little t. Good job. So let's do another one. Put a finger space so that they're not right next to each other. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line and stop. Make sure you go all the way from the skyline to the grass line. Make a little line across the top right above the plain line. And then I want you to do 3 more on your own without me showing you. So 1 T, 2 T, and 3 T. So when you're done, we already drew 2 together. Then we just drew 3 more. So 2 and 3 means we just drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just drew 5 little T's because we already had 2. And when we put 3 more, that makes 5. 2 and 3 make 5. We just did math too, boys and girls. So remember, I told you, use a napkin, paper towel, a tissue, anything that the adult says. Top back on your Expo marker, and we're going to work on uppercase T's next week. So get ready for that. We're going to make uppercase and lowercase T's, big and little T's. We're going to make them together on next week. We're going to make both those letters. And T, we all know, see, there's a picture of the big T, uppercase T, little t, lowercase t. We all know that T says T. Yes, very good. T says T, like turtle, turtle, T. And T says T, like top. T says T, top, T, turtle, tiger. Very good. Next week, I want you to start thinking in your brain today and over the weekend, because next week we're going to make a chart with a bunch of T words on them. We're going to make a T chart, or T map, really. It's going to be a circle map. So that's our practice with the letter T. And now I want you to get this paper out, and you're going to need your pencil. And when you get your pencil, remember these 4 letters we've been talking about up here? Starts with the N. This makes this word right here. It's got 4 letters. N-A-M-E. That spells name. Very good. So that's where we're going to write our name at the top of our paper. So I'm writing my name. You write your name. I'm a long name. Okay, I wrote my name. Did you write your name? Good job. Now, you've got some lines, and we need to trace the dotted lines, and we're going to trace them from the left, the bunnies on the left of your paper, to the right. The right is the end of the paper, because that's how we write on a paper, is we write from left to right. So we're going to trace over our dotted lines, and we're going to do our very best. I'm doing my bunny one right now, to stay on top of the dotted lines. We're not going to go off the lines if we can help it. We're going to try our very, very best, because we have to be able to follow directions and follow the dots there. And you're going to trace the lines. Okay, that also is going to give you help holding your pencil. And so when you're all done tracing the lines, then you can color the bunny and the bee and the frog. Okay? Then when you're done, what are you going to do? Your name practice sheet. You're going to write your name how many times? 5 times. Because we're going to be expert name writers before you know it. Some of you are already almost there. So great job. Practice your name. Practice tracing the lines. And if you want to practice any other letters, you can practice on your paper, your writing paper in the plastic with your marker. Just you have to take care of it when you're done, then you've got to erase it, okay? All right, so I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye.